words to replace the word good. One way to write more interesting essays is to avoid tired and overused words. Substituting excessively used words with more interesting ones can bring a boring essay to life. This is also a great way to expand your vocabulary. Now here are some words that can be used to substitute the overused word good. So here we're going to use words to describe taste. Delicious, luscious, impeccable, scrumptious, and delightful. Now words to describe performance. Captivating, stellar, spectacular, breathtaking, and divine. Now words to describe a book. Engaging, gripping, sublime, fascinating, and enthralling. Words to describe a view. Enchanting, majestic, unforgettable, magnificent, exceptional. Here we have words to describe personality. Amusing, charismatic, kindhearted, courteous, vibrant. These are just a few words that can be used to substitute the overused word good to describe taste, book, view, performance, and personality.